Imagine doing laundry without it taking over your home. With smart design, even a small closet can be transformed into an efficient laundry space. Whether you live in a compact apartment or want to maximize a hallway closet, these closet laundry ideas will help you save space, stay organized, and love your laundry setup. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the easiest way to keep the area fresh? Use moisture absorbers, keep detergents sealed, and wipe down machines regularly. A bowl of baking soda or a few dryer sheets inside cabinets can absorb odors. Keep it fresh so laundry feels less like a chore. Fresh and functional? Like this if scent matters to you. What's the best type of washer and dryer for a closet? Compact, stackable units are ideal. Choose front-load machines for better accessibility. Look for ventless or all-in-one washer-dryer combos if you're tight on space or don't have venting options. Energy-efficient models help reduce heat and noise. Choosing appliances soon? Like this for smart buying tips. What flooring works best in a closet laundry? Choose water-resistant materials like vinyl plank, tile, or sealed concrete. Avoid carpet, which absorbs moisture. Add a washable rug or anti-fatigue mat for comfort. Good flooring protects your home and looks great. Want durable and stylish floors? Tap like for ideas. What about hanging clothes in the closet laundry? Install a tension rod, pull-out rack, or wall hook to hang clothes. Great for air drying or quick steaming. Even a small bar under a shelf adds big convenience. Keep hangers nearby for easy access. Dry, steam, and go? Like this if you want smart hanging options. Should I use cabinetry or open shelving? It depends on your style and needs. Open shelves make items easy to grab, while cabinets keep the space looking minimal and polished. Mix both if possible. Open for daily use, closed for overflow or less used items. Team open or closed. Like this to cast your vote. How do I keep it looking clean and tidy? Use matching bins and labels to keep everything organized. Hide clutter behind cabinet doors or curtains if needed. Choose a neutral color palette to make the space feel larger and cleaner. Less is more in tight areas. Organized space, clear mind. Like if you agree. How do I handle ventilation in a closet laundry? Good airflow is a must. Use louvered doors, install a vent fan, or keep the door open during use. Ventless dryers are a great solution if standard venting isn't possible. Always follow appliance guidelines. Ventilation matters. Like this if you're learning something new. How do I add style to a closet laundry space? Use peel and stick wallpaper, stylish bins, or a bold rug. Add art or a hanging plant to soften the utility feel. Just because it's a laundry closet doesn't mean it has to be boring. Style it like the rest of your home. Small space, big style, like this if you're in. How can I maximize storage in a closet laundry? Install shelves above and beside the machines. Use wall-mounted racks, pull-out drawers, or slim carts for detergents and tools. Hang baskets on doors or add cubbies to hold folded towels and cleaning products. Love clever storage hacks? Tap like to see more. Can I soundproof my closet laundry? Yes. Add weather stripping to the door, use rubber mats under machines, and add acoustic panels to walls. Even curtains or foam pads help dampen sound. It keeps noise down and the vibe calm. Peace and quiet during spin cycles? Tap like for yes. Can I add a folding station and a closet laundry? Yes. Install a countertop over front-load machines or mount a wall folding table. If space is tight, use the back of the door for a drop-down surface. A folding station adds utility without taking up floor space. More function, same space, like if you're all in. Can a laundry room fit in a closet? Yes, and it can work beautifully. A standard 3 to 5 foot wide closet can house a washer and dryer, stacked or side by side. Add shelves above for supplies and make use of every inch. With the right layout, a closet laundry can be just as functional as a full-sized room. Think your closet has potential? Tap like to get started. A closet laundry doesn't have to feel cramped or chaotic. With the right setup, it can be compact, stylish, and surprisingly efficient. Whether you're downsizing or optimizing, these ideas make every square inch count. Inspired to upgrade your space? Like and subscribe for more smart home ideas.